Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all on the same page on this regard. Now that I proved that Vatican, Seven Hills of Rome, Roman Province Jesus organizations in USA is the deadliest wild human endangerment organizations, and Pope Francis created the Vatican Swiss Army, deadliest nuclear weapons, and it is a deadliest crime, and he violated the Holy Bible guidelines, right? And when I displayed that, I already displayed it's Pope Francis who destroyed the finance services to Associated Bank and then laid him off, right? So what is the civil justice for me is, as of March 23rd of 2024 to 2021, Associated Bank of USA and whatever crime they provided, Associated Bank, by laying me off just because I displayed the true criminal who destroyed finance services, it comes under the domestic violence of breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, trespass to land and types, and trespass to chattels and types. And they created too much of emotional torture to me, right? The Associated Bank created finance loss disability, poverty mandate disability, right? And then career path destruction disability, and unemployment disability. Can Associated Bank CEO will, if I throw all this as a tit for tat, can Associated Bank CEO handle it? Or can any of the employees who are working there can handle it? No, right? Then why on the earth there's a humanity destroyed everywhere? When I only displayed the wisdom to them, right? Is it being loyal and integrity and standing tall, always saying what is correct, wrong is wrong? Is it healthy or not healthy? You work on that answer. For me, I fear God. I display what is correct, what is wrong, right? At what cost? They laid me off, even at that cost. I became pauper mode, isn't it? Nobody's helping me out. Do they have any common sense before laying me off? Right? Today they are going to pay the price. I'm helpless now. I'm helpless. I can only bail out Associated Bank. That is all I can do. But I'm helpless now. Even if I was working for Associated Bank, it would have been the same. Right? When people are choosing to the foolish ways, that's how they end up in. They become fools. Fools are always fools, right? Anyways, it's God's name alone is glorified. Got it? With whatever acid they threw on me, with whatever scars they mandated for me, it is God's name alone is glorified, my dear fellow mankind. Right? How a healthy talent given by God is mandated to be wasted, isn't it? So, for Associated Bank provided damages to me. I want the civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines only, and that is as of March 23rd of 2021, Associated Bank of USA must pay retirement salary package to I Vedapriya Prose, at least tax-free $1 million to Vedapriya Prose, and direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second is civil justice served to me, as in Holy Bible guidelines only. And it is finance compensation for fatal negligence. USA Associated Bank provided finance loss damage, poverty mandate disability, finance disability mandate, career path distraction mandate, and scars on my face to be unemployed disability mandate. Then Associated Bank of USA must also pay that base salary of $72,000 tax-free to be tax-free $100,000 to I Vedapriya Prose, and direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second is civil justice served to I am. Then Associated Bank of USA must pay another tax-free $1 million for I Vedapriya Prose provided patented design and displayed Pope Francis destroyed finance services of USA. And then I want Unemployment Benefits CARES Act COVID-19 Act of USA must pay tax-free $20,000 direct deposit to my bank account if civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.